Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use the Immersive Reader. The Immersive Reader is a tool created by Microsoft to help learners of all ages increase their language fluency and build confidence in their language learning abilities. The tool also promotes accessibility with its text decoding solutions for those with learning differences. So without further ado, let's get started. You can find the Immersive Reader tool in any lesson that has a reading. Click a lesson and click Launch Tasks to view the task list. If there is a lesson with a story or a reading, the Immersive Reader tool will be available. In the bottom right corner, right next to the audio, you'll see the Immersive Reader button. Click this button to begin using the tool. Once the Immersive Reader is opened, you can use the options at the bottom and then the top right corner to customize the experience. With the green play button at the bottom, you can listen to an audio version of the reading.
1. My name is Jim.
Right next to the play button is where you can change the voice settings. You can change the voice speed with the sliding tool to make it faster or slower, and you can choose between female and male for the voice selection. In the top right corner, you can change your text preferences, your grammar options, or your reading preferences. Under text preferences, you can change the text size, you can increase or decrease the spacing, you can change the font, and you can change the theme. And the second choice, grammar options, allows you to highlight certain parts of speech for further practice. You can use the toggle options to the right to choose which parts of speech you'd like to see. Under this menu, you're also able to decide if you'd like these syllables shown or not with the syllables toggle to the right. Lastly, under reading preferences, you can choose if you'd like a line focus version of the Immersive Reader. If you click line focus, you can then pick a setting on how you would like the lines to be displayed. If the picture dictionary toggle is on, this allows you to click words that are bolded to see an image displayed. Lastly, you can translate the text. With the drop-down menu, choose the language you'd like to translate it to, and decide if you'd like it by word or if you'd like to translate the whole document. If you translate by word, you can click a word to see the translation below. Your students can also use the Immersive Reader. When they begin the lesson and go to the task with the reading, they can find the Immersive Reader tool at the bottom just like from your account. When they click it, all of the controls are the same. In the top right corner, you or your students can also make the Immersive Reader full screen. That's it for this video on how to use the Immersive Reader. If you have any questions, please let us know. Happy teaching!
Ellii.